Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Quickly we're going to be unboxing this very unique and iconic phone, and this is for my basic feature phone lovers. And this is the Nokia 6310 2021. And first thing you can notice about the phone, it has this iconic boxing pattern, something that I know it would be common in the Indian region. And the first thing in the transparent stuff there, you have the Nokia, the phone, and then you open the paper box. Then you have your headphone jack, you have your charger, and then you have your 1150 milliamp battery. Opening up the phone, you have a dual SIM card slot and a slot for micro SD card. I think it supports up to 32 gigabytes. And one unique thing you want to notice is how light this phone is. This phone is just around 98 grams, and how slim and sleek it appears, just around 14 millimeters. And it has a very big screen. That camera right there is just around zero 0.2 megabytes. So I wonder what you would want to capture with that. But it has a very big screen display, which is around 2.8 inches, so massive compared to any feature basic phone you have around. And you can see how very unique and interesting the application the main application menu appears and feels. I love how all icons are bulky, and of course, what's a Nokia without what's a basic phone without those games. So there are a couple games. That's the racing game. You can also check out a couple other games that are there. They are really unique, and they are free, and you can have lots of fun. And one final unique thing about this phone is the radio. You can actually access your radio wirelessly. You don't have to always look for a headphone jack before you can have access to your radio. So you have access to your radio, and this is just a nice phone. Only little issue I have about it is it might not last that long, since it's just 1150. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe. Bye.